Welcome to our channel, where we empower parents to help their children build a bright academic future. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for any family: how to guide your child's academic choices and set them up for success. Whether your child is in elementary school, high school, or even college, this video will provide you with actionable strategies, psychological insights, and expert advice to help them make the best decisions for their future. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly content. Let's get started. Why academic guidance matters. Did you know that 70% of students feel overwhelmed when making academic decisions? And many parents feel just as lost when trying to guide them. The truth is, the choices your child makes today will shape their career, their happiness, and even their financial stability in the future. But here's the good news: you don't have to be an expert to help your child. By understanding their strengths, interests, and the opportunities available, you can play a crucial role in their success. In this section, we'll explore why your involvement matters and how you can make a real difference. Key points: the impact of early academic decisions on long-term success. How parental guidance reduces stress and uncertainty for children. Real-life examples of successful academic guidance. Understanding your child's strengths and interests. Every child is unique, and the first step in guiding them is understanding what they're passionate about and where their strengths lie. But how do you figure that out? In this section, we'll walk you through practical steps to identify your child's interests and talents. From personality tests to observing their hobbies, you'll learn how to uncover what truly motivates them. Plus, we'll share tips on how to have meaningful conversations with your child about their dreams and aspirations. Key points: tools like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, or Holland Code, RIASEC, for career guidance. The importance of extracurricular activities in discovering interests. How to encourage your child without pressuring them. Exploring career and academic options. Once you understand your child's strengths and interests, the next step is exploring the endless possibilities available to them. From traditional career paths to emerging fields like AI and renewable energy, the options can be overwhelming. In this section, we'll break down how to research careers, understand the job market, and align your child's interests with viable academic paths. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of different educational routes, such as university, vocational training, or entrepreneurship. Key points: how to use online resources like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and government labor statistics. The value of internships, shadowing, and networking. Balancing passion with practicality in career choices. The role of emotional support and communication. Academic guidance isn't just about facts and figures, it's also about emotional support. Many children feel immense pressure to succeed, and as a parent, your role is to be their anchor. In this section, we'll explore how to create a supportive environment where your child feels safe to express their fears and ambitions. We'll also discuss how to handle disagreements and ensure that your guidance feels like teamwork, not control. Key points: the psychology of adolescent decision-making. How to avoid projecting your own dreams onto your child. Building trust and open communication. Practical steps to create an academic plan. Now that we've covered the emotional and exploratory aspects, it's time to get practical. In this section, we'll guide you through creating a step-by-step academic plan tailored to your child's goals. From setting short-term objectives to planning for college applications or vocational training, you'll learn how to break down the process into manageable steps. We'll also share tips on time management, study habits, and staying motivated. Key points: how to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. The importance of flexibility and adapting to changes. Resources for scholarships, grants, and financial planning. Common mistakes parents make and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, parents can sometimes make mistakes that hinder their child's progress. In this section, we'll highlight common pitfalls and how to avoid them. From micromanaging to underestimating your child's potential, we'll provide actionable advice to ensure your guidance is effective and empowering. Key points: the dangers of overpressuring your child, how to recognize and address your own biases, the importance of letting your child take ownership of their decisions. Success stories and inspiration. To wrap up, let's look at some real-life success stories of individuals who thrive thanks to supportive academic guidance. These stories will inspire you and show you what's possible when parents and children work together toward a common goal. Key points: examples of famous personalities who overcame challenges. Testimonials from parents and students. The power of perseverance and adaptability. Conclusion and call to action. Guiding your child's academic future is one of the most rewarding journeys you can embark on as a parent. By understanding their strengths, exploring options, and providing unwavering support, you can help them build a future they're excited about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on parenting, education, and personal growth. And if you have any questions or success stories, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and remember, your guidance today can shape your child's tomorrow. See you in the next video.